In this video, let me show you how you can install WordPress from GoDaddy. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. To install WordPress from GoDaddy, first sign into your GoDaddy account. In our case, we don't have a subscription. And click the drop-down on Web Hosting and click on Manage. You will be directed to this page. Once you're here on this page, just click on Panel Admin. Now scroll down a little bit. And here you can see the Applications tab. Click on WordPress. Right here, install the application by clicking this button. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and click Install. Now you can just wait for the installation process to finish. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the WordPress to your GoDaddy. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.